I think it's a really great, valuable thing for people that are listening now to start to think about the ways that they're reacting to what's happening in their lives. Because if you notice yourself judging a situation, it's because in some way you've been triggered. So just to start to pay attention, anyone that's listening, when you find yourself judging, like, how dare you edit my work in that way, or whatever it may be, that's your opportunity to stop pointing the finger at others and start to look within and say, what's up for me here? Now, if someone's actually straight up legit just coming at you, there's two ways that you could react. One, there's many instances in my life where someone could be coming at me, but it doesn't trigger me. So I know that there's nothing for me to heal there. I can see it and I can say, that's your stuff. It's all good. You know, I pray for you. I want you to be happy. And I can walk away and be like, whoa, that's their story, right? Other instances, I can say, I can feel deeply wounded. How dare you? I'm going to protect myself. I'm going to go for it. And that's the opportunity once again for me to look within. So whenever you're dealing with feeling judged, the question you want to ask yourself is, am I triggered? And then do the deeper dive in step one of looking at why.